In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow others to upload files directly into a Google Drive folder. Let's dive in and get started on making file sharing a breeze for everyone involved. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate over to drive.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Google account if you haven't already. Having access to Google Drive is crucial, and logging into your account ensures you're ready to personalize the sharing settings of your folders. Now, once you're logged into your account and can see your Google Drive, you'll need to choose the folder that you want others to be able to upload files to. Locate that folder and then right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you'll find an option labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a window where you can set specific sharing parameters for this folder, making it possible to involve others in your collaborative projects. Inside the Share window, you'll notice a section termed General Access. Click on this option to expand its settings. You'll see that by default, the access settings might be marked as restricted, meaning only the people you specify can access it. We need to change this to make it simpler for anyone with the link to contribute. Switch the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. This crucial step makes it possible for anyone who has the link to have some level of access to the folder. With this setting, you alleviate the need to individually invite contributors, streamlining the process significantly. Once you've changed that access setting, direct your attention to the drop-down menu to the right. It'll typically default to Viewer. Click on it to reveal more options. To allow others to upload, you'll need to change their role from Viewer to Editor. By granting Editor access, you make it possible for others to not just view, but upload files directly into the folder whenever they need to. After you've set the role to Editor, you're close to wrapping things up. You'll see an option to Copy Link. Click this to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. This link is your golden ticket for collaboration. Finally, click Done to save all these settings. Your folder is now configured to accept contributions from anyone with the link, allowing them to upload files with ease. The last step is truly simple but crucial. Share that link. You can send it via email, chat, or any other preferred communication method. Anyone with this link can now upload files directly into your designated folder, enhancing your collaborative efforts. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Google Drive folder to receive file uploads from others effortlessly. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful.